Hello everyone, we're going to take a look at this trail camera from Camojojo. This is the Trace. Now this camera was sent out to me for review. We're going to take a look at everything that comes in the box, and in a future video I will do a full setup here on my property with this little camera. So let's take a look at exactly what comes in the box. Alright guys, so what we have here in the box is our, this is kind of like a little welcome card. It does talk about some other accessories that you could purchase from the with this camera. One of them is a solar panel that you have the ability to purchase. So all of that information is on this card. You have a starter guide or a quick starter guide just to get started to set this up. And you have your regular manual that you can go through to show you all the other multiple features that are included with this camera. So it also comes with this little bracket. Now this is a tree bracket or a mounting bracket. You're going to mount this up against whatever whatever you're going to connect the camera to, and then it has this adjustable bracket here that you could mount the camera directly onto. Now you don't have to use this, but it is available. It comes in the kit. It also comes with this strap, and that's what you would use either with this bracket or just to connect the camera itself. It comes with a USB-C to USB-A cable that you could use to connect to the camera when you're retrieving videos or photos from the camera. It also comes with this little connector cable, which looks like to be like a barrel plug, a female version of a barrel plug with a USB-A as well. Now this is the actual camera, so check this out. This has a built-in antenna. Now this one does work on the AT&T server network. If you look around here, this is kind of an industrial plastic. This is kind of traditional, expected of what you would see for a trail camera. On the back, you can see where you can run this belt through if you want to secure this to a tree. And you can also use one of your Python locks if you want to, lock this to a tree so somebody can't run off with your camera. You have a 1/4-20 here for mounting this to a magic arm or some type of stand. And you have an additional 1/4-20 underneath. Now, when you open this up, you just pull this little flap here. And this is going to reveal all the information about the camera. It does have NFC. You have your SIM card already installed. You can format your SD card. The SD card is actually inside of the camera. It's not removable, but you can format it if you want to remove all the data, photos, and videos off of it. 32 gigs there. You have your indicator lights here for your network, your battery power, and your connectivity. You have your power button here as well. You could scan this little QR code right here or use NFC to connect the camera to your phone. Now, this camera uses 12 AA batteries. You got 4 here in the front and another 8 on the back. So you got quite a few batteries to power this, but it's, for the most part, it's going to be a very long running camera. And it does have the little seal around the edges. So when you put this back in, you really don't have to worry about water creeping into the camera and damaging the camera. So that's not going to be an issue. You have your sensors right here in the front. Here's your lens. For the most part, this is a very well-designed trail camera. We can power this, like I said, off of a solar panel. So if you do purchase a solar panel, it's just going to plug in right here. And combining that with batteries and the solar panel over time, this will just run for, months and months at a time. Now, there is a smartphone app. I did install the smartphone app on my phone. Let me show you guys a little bit about what you see in the app. So you're going to install the Jojo app. Now, once you set this up, you will have to connect your camera to it. So now once it's connected, just hit start. You can give your camera a name. And if you want to set a group, you can. And then it will show you that your camera has been successfully added. And you'll see camera 1 or however many cameras you have. So you have your home button, you have your Explorer, which is just basically going to give you some information about the cameras and how people have been using them. Then you have your actual account. You can set up a data plan. So for the first, there is a free trial for this. If I'm not mistaken, this is for 7 days. You get a free trial. And then there's additional plans. So you have a yearly plan, a monthly plan, and you have just basic add-ons, HD package, that's going to give you HD photo and video. There's also a package that allows you to do live streaming. But all of that is up to you, to choose which one is going to be the best solution for you. If you don't want to use any of those plans, you do have the option of just using the camera as it is, as a trail camera, and just downloading the images directly from the camera. So if you have a property and you're looking for a way to monitor what's going on in your property, if you're a hunter or something like that, this could be ideal. I'm going to set this up on my property. I will do a video here in the future doing a full installation of the camera here on my property. I'd like to thank Camojojo for sending this camera out to me for review. All right, guys, I'll see you all in the next video. Peace. I'm out.